Oh, hi, this is Mike from 2Talk. While the Grandstream's GXW gateways don't support zero-touch provisioning, as part of our 2Talk service, we can remotely provision the gateways connecting to our VoIP service. It's a simple enough process. Before shipping, we'll drop your basic IP routing onto the gateways, sufficient to get it online. After unboxing, you'll enable the WAN port to its internet access. We'll see the device come online. From your side, the WAN lamp confirms connectivity. The installation itself is a two-step process. Once the gateway comes online, we'll remote into the device to start the configuration. It takes us about 15 minutes to complete that. The GXW by default requires the PBX tech to set 9 as the outbound prefix, which it uses to set call direction. You can change this to anything except 1, which the GXW reserves for inbound. Once we've configured, connect the T1 crossover cable between the gateways, E1T1 port, and the corresponding E1T1 on the PBX. Once again, the GXW front panel will light green to confirm the T1 connectivity. So the final part, we confirm inbound and outbound calling and any other call types like E911 and 1-800s. So that's it. Going well from start to finish. The process is about 15 minutes. As always, talk to us via sales at 2Talk or our sales chat or our main number. That's me, and look forward to hearing from you.